This widowed bird had laid an egg in her transport box. This is extremely rare. But it happens. The problem is, birds only incubate eggs in a nest. Now the egg needed to be introduced in her new nest stand. I knew that would be true. For fingers crossed, I hoped Mom would sit on it and start incubating. I could also put this egg in my incubator. But I wasn't sure if I would be capable of feeding such a super tiny bird with my big hands first. She wasn't interested, but then, after about 2 hours, in that moment, I thought she understood what to do with this egg, but she only acknowledged it, and nothing more. I kept hoping and waiting. The next day, she had completely lost interest. I wanted to give this egg a chance. Time for Plan B. Couple of days later, I could check the progress of the egg. I was hoping for life, but I was a little scared for the consequence. The next day, I checked again and was something changing inside. Then, 36 hours later, I was touched by its wonder. It kept developing. Two weeks later, the next moment is what it all comes down to. The first feeding. Here we go. yes? The first drops a little later, she started opening her beak. Few days later, she got the hang. We were becoming a good team. And a look at her now. I love her as she is my own kids. You don't feel the feelings. Of my love here is question for you. If you were on my place, what you'd do with this little one? PLZ. Subscribe to my channel because creating this types of videos takes a lot of time. Like and share. Need your support. Your one click changed my life and from my heart deep feeling. Thanks for viewing my video. I am so happy she made it. Can you guys come up with a name for this sweet little ZebraFinch? Now we both feel like a family. She can't survive without me, and I also don't breathe without her. You understand the feelings, guys. Subscribe for more interesting videos like that.